In front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. When you finish, hit OK. And now adjust your alarm however you want to. At the top, add label and hit OK to save it. Now tap on days of the week you wish to set up, and to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm. Then pick a date or dates and hit OK. You can remove them thanks to remove button right next to them. Now, by tapping on this bell, you can download one of those sound platforms and then use music from there, or hit dismiss. If you want to log in, click on your platform at the top and click on the bottom right corner. If you want to use any song from your smartphone, hit Add Now. Click on a song and go back. To record any sound, hit Record Now. Record it, hit Save, and now it's set it up. If you wish to use any of our melodies, you can always click on one of those instead. Now click on this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback, and this one next to weather forecast to enable or disable it. You can also add your alarm to Google Assistant routine if you have it by tapping on this plus. To hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner. To disable or enable your alarm, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click at the top right corner and change whatever you want to. To delete it though, use bin icon at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!